Hey everyone, I just wanted to say I'm awaiting the arrival of the Fluff Daddy. I ordered it because of all the hype on Instagram, and I just really needed to get a comfortable chair because of the fact that at the moment I'm sitting in a chair that is breaking my back. So we are waiting for the delivery. They said they should be here before 11 a.m. It was supposed to arrive yesterday, but there was a bit of delay. So I will show you the unboxing of it, and it's just going to be me putting it together. So this is a Fluff Daddy in forest green. I'll have to steam this little wrinkle out, which should be relatively easy to do. But yeah, I sat in it and I have found it very comfortable. And so far so good. Okay, just gonna sit down in it now and just doing a little bit of a spin in the chair, and it goes all the way back. But because I'm filming this, and I mean you would have seen it in the other clip, but yeah, so far it's pretty good. They give you 30 days to see whether or not you like it or not. So I've kept the big fat box, which is right behind me over there. And I have a feeling I'm going to keep it because I'm really just sitting in this right now and I am quite comfortable. I have my TV in front of me, which is turned off at the moment. So, and I like the forest green colour. I think it's good because it wouldn't show too much, you know, dirt, I suppose, you know, especially when it comes to your feet, which I'll just see if you can see there, but you know, yeah. So just another thing, I paid $879 for the couch. It was normally $8.99, but if you sign up you get a $20 discount, so that was nice. And it was free shipping. So I believe the policy is if you pay for shipping and you want to return it, you just can get a full refund, but you got to pay the shipping cost back. I didn't pay any shipping, so it was free. Now, if I don't like it, I trust that it will be free shipping back, or they might give you a cost, but I'm keeping that box just in case. But like I said, yeah. Now, disposing of this box is going to be quite difficult. It's a huge box, right? So we'll have to break that up into tiny little pieces and put it in the recycling to be taken off to recycle. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Consider sharing it with someone who you think might get some use out of it. Until then, bye for now. I will post an update on this after 30 days if I still have it, but I'm pretty sure that I will. So there is the Cloud Fluff Daddy couch.